Alright, so here's some information about doing the driving the mile markers into the ground. We got our tools. We've got our pile hole driver, really heavy. We've got our marker driver into the ground. You've got a file, trowel, carrying devices so they can go over your shoulder, makes it so much easier to carry. Gloves, of course. Ear protection. Oh my God, you want ear protection with the pile hole driver. That thing is loud and it clanks. You have your post, of course, and you've got this handy dandy sleeve that goes on top. So first things first, you find a location next to the trail. I use GPS, Google Maps. I've started locations on Google Maps. You take out the pilot pull and the eye pin here, put it in your pocket or somewhere. The clamp broke on it, so I'm using duct tape to keep it secured right now. And here's the duct tape. So you take that out, find a location, and you want to drive it into the ground, pounding it down. It doesn't go all the way down to the triangle on the bottom, just above it. It's internal, it won't come out. Drive it down to at least the top of this tape, because you need 18 inches. And you want it longer than the triangle here. You want the triangle to be about there, so just above the tape. You see the triangle on the bottom matching the post, matching the triangle on the pile hole driver. Yes, it will go in the dirt. It can get hard, especially when you get in clay. You'll have to kind of shake it and twist it, and then you can pull it up, shake it, twist it, pound it in. When you're done, you take it up, and it hits the top, and it comes up like that. Once you're done, then you put the pin back in and lay that to the side. It takes a second sometimes to get that pin through. Alright, yeah. And then use your duct tape to keep it there secure. Next, you'll take this sleeve and you'll put it on top of your marker. One side of the sleeve has not duct tape, has fabric on it, so it won't tear up this sticker on the back. When we used it before without having a sleeve, we tore up the stickers on the markers, and that means I'm buying a sticker, blah blah blah, not fun. So do a piece of duct tape on the front, 2 pieces on the back. Good new duct tape is always best, because if you don't, the duct tape will break and will leave the sleeve in the top of your driver, and that's no fun to get out. So you get the post into the driver, you put it into the hole that you made with the pilot hole driver, and you put one foot on one side and you pound it down. It's best if you have someone else on the other side putting a foot there, so you keep the marker straight because it does flex. Pound it down into the ground until you hit this white line here, that's 18 inches. If you start to see white stress in the plastic, stop or you'll break it. You don't want to do that. Use the pile hole driver to try and make it a little deeper in front or back, or if it's in like 2 or 3 inches of this white sticker here on the marker, you can stop and then just put out 2 big rocks on either side. I mean big rocks, really big, really heavy. Also, because the pile hole driver makes a big hole in the ground, I take a rock or 2 and put in front, and put a rock or 2 in back of the marker, and I tamp that in with the other end of the pile hole driver, and just tamp those in the ground in front and back to secure the marker, because you've created a hole on the shaft of the pile hole driver. Once you do that, you take the marker out of the, you take the sleeve off the marker, and you're done. You can go to the next one. Some extra tools. The trowel is if you have to dig it out, which you hope you don't have to do. The file is to help maintain this triangle on the bottom of the pile hole driver. Over time, as you hit rocks, this becomes flattened out, so you need the file to maintain the triangle. It doesn't have to be sharp, it just has to maintain the triangle. Then we have these handy dandy carrying straps we made. This is just a tie down strap. You hook it on here. Alright, wrong one. This one. And you loop this around the back. And it makes it very easy to carry. Also using foam from a pool noodle. And you also do the same with the other one, wrapping it around the other driver. So that's it. You might have to do it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times to find a good location, but keep looking for one location that you can drive the post, the pilot hole driver in the ground at least to the top of that tape. I do it once and then I do it a second time. Make sure you do that second time and loosen up the dirt more, because if there's rocks or hard clay, you won't get the post all the way into the ground, and then you're digging it out or having to pile up rocks around it, and piling up the rocks is no fun, or digging it out is no fun. So any questions, drop me a line. Thanks.